So back to our tutorials. So the first thing that we'll talk about is comments in Python. So comments in any programming language is used to create or to write instructions or to notify, especially when you are in a collaborative environment, or you are dealing with, or you are collaborating with a lot of people in the project. You can write comments to inform them or give them a certain form of instruction. And in Python, comments are written in this way. So you start comment with the hash sign. Okay. So once you put a hash sign before a comment, that comment cannot read or cannot run when you run the program. So it's just to give information to whoever is reading your codes or whoever that you are collaborating with in terms of the development. Okay. So comments can be placed above or below codes. All right. So once we know what Python is, and we know the tools that we need to get us started, we can start with the real deal.